In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a 3D effect to a shape in your PowerPoint presentation. Whether you're working on a project for work, school, or just want to enhance your personal slides, knowing how to create visually appealing content can make a significant difference in capturing and maintaining your audience's attention. So let's dive right into how you can make your shapes pop with a 3D look. First, we'll start by opening up your PowerPoint presentation file. Make sure you've got the presentation opened up where you want to add that extra flair with a shape. Having your material ready to go will ensure that you can follow along smoothly without needing to switch back and forth too much. Once inside your presentation, you'll want to select the specific shape you want to transform. If you haven't already created one, go ahead and create the shape. You can do this by navigating to the Insert tab at the top of the screen and choosing from a variety of shapes available there. Pick something that complements the overall theme and content of your slide for the best effect. After you have your shape ready, click on it to select it. By doing this, you'll notice that the ribbon at the top of PowerPoint changes, showing you a whole array of options specifically related to your shape. You should see a tab that says Shape Format. This tab is our gateway to adding a 3D effect. Now that you're in the Shape Format tab, look for the Shape Effects button. It offers a drop-down menu providing different effects for your shape. Once you click on Shape Effects, you'll see an option called 3D Rotation. Hovering over this will display various preset rotations that you can apply instantly to your shape. Choosing one of these preset rotations will immediately apply it, giving your shape that coveted 3D appearance. Feel free to experiment with different options to see how each one alters the look of your shape. Each choice is an opportunity to add a unique touch that could better suit your presentation's layout and objective. And there you have it. Your shape has now been transformed with a 3D effect, adding depth and interest to your slide. Keep in mind that while adding 3D rotation can elevate your presentation, it's crucial to use it with intent and not to overwhelm your audience with too much extravagance. Balancing creativity with clarity ensures that your message remains the star of the show while keeping your audience engaged. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks to enhance your presentations. Have a great day.